Hey guys, welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto, and today we're looking at the Naenka Lite Pro wireless earbuds. We'll start with an unboxing, and then we'll take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, we have the box right here. Very nice looking box. Best gift. Update your sound experience. Turn it over. We got some of the specs right here. Pretty cool. Very nice box. Let's go ahead and open it up. So remove the sleeve, and it looks like it just pops open like this. That is a beautiful box. It's like a gift. Probably why it says the best gift. We have the headphones there, but let's take a look at the box here. We have a USB-C charging cable, which is a great sign because that means it is going to charge beautifully. Let's see, what else do we got here? We have the instruction booklet. Very nice. Let's take a quick look at it, see what it has. Basic functions, the Lite guide right there. How to answer phone calls, pretty basic stuff. More specs if you need it. Awesome. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. Now let's go ahead and open the main event here. Pick this up, take it out. Alright, here are the headphones. This is the charging case. Beautiful charging case. Very nice and light. Shiny, love it. There's the USB-C port. Alright, let's take a closer look. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this. Okay, beautiful. And port right there again, nice and shiny, super light like I mentioned. Let's look at the earbuds themselves. So, very light. You have the microphone right there. That is a touchpad button, not a physical button. Very small. You can see how big they are. They remind me of the shape and size of like the Apple AirPods. Go ahead and pop them in here to charge. And boom, you're done. That's it. Nicely done. Alright, but if you want to sync them up, all you gotta do is open it up, take out your earbuds, go to your device, go into your Bluetooth. They'll pop up right there as an option. Go ahead and click on that, and done. You are connected. Super simple. Let's talk about the fit. They fit very nicely. They don't hurt my ears. They're nice and light. Fact about these guys, if you click 3 times, it goes into a low latency game mode. That means latency is reduced by 50%. Alright, these guys are going to give you 7 hours of listening time and 28 hours with the case. And you could pick these guys up for $59.90. Link in the description on their website. Something cool that they're doing for us is that they gave me a promo code to use. So if you go to their website and you put in BNTech, you will save 17% off your next purchase with them. So another fact about these, besides the low latency, which I think is pretty cool, these guys are rated IPX5, so that means they are going to be waterproof for you. I mean, I still wouldn't go into a pool wearing them. I don't know why you would, but they're still going to handle that water. Overall, these earbuds are pretty basic, but the main points that I love about them is the low latency mode. So if you're curious about it, you want to check them out, go ahead and go to their site, pick some up. Don't forget to use my promo code, get 17% off of them. You're probably wondering about sound quality. It's pretty decent. I mean, it doesn't come with any presets or anything that you can change, but just out of the box, it's pretty decent sound. Phone calls are actually very clear and crisp. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.